Hi guys, my name is Estri Belle and I would like to tell you a little bit about myself. But first, I want you to know that you should subscribe to Jamaica Wedding Channel on YouTube because I need you to vote for Estri Belle. That's me in the cap here. I've been one of those days with my hair, but back to what we were saying. I need you to vote for me, Estri Belle, again, and let me get into the detail of telling you about myself. I love designing. I love it so much. I love to like sit and draw and then to like use my hands and create beautiful stuff and to like intrigue myself. And I like getting dressed up and I like styling people and to like make them feel like really sexy. Yeah, I said it. Elegant, classy, sophisticated, edgy, you name it, I can do it. And that's just me and that's my style as well. I give a little bit of all of those I just explained. And about me, I just love to be dressed up and to like turn heads, and I just have a thing for fashion and style, and I just really wanted to like bring it out in this dress. So vote for Estri Belle in this bridal fantasy 2019 designer dress competition. Vote for me.